Hey guys, so welcome to the tutorial, and if you have already signed up for Azure free account, then you might wonder how to track usage of your free credits or the Azure resource usage. Then the best way to do that so is to create a custom cost management. And to do that, just go on to the global search bar and then type cost management and billing and click onto this. And once you land onto this page, you have to click on the free trial subscription. Click onto that, and underneath the cost management to your left hand side, you have something called budget. So click onto this budget, and once this is enabled, let's go on add a budget. And I have already created a budget here, so let's create another budget. So click on add and then give a budget name, and you can specify the scope to a subscription level, and since we have one subscription, it is auto populated. So give us a budget name like alert me usage. And your billing period, I usually go with the billing month, but you have various options to go with quarterly, yearly, and month, everything. So I go with billing month, and be sure to create a date for expiration as well as the creation date. And expiration date, I usually go with a monthly basis. So I usually go on to August, and I want to track this budget only during this time frame. And be careful on the expiration date, because once the expiration date reaches, this budget alert will be disabled and it will not monitor our usage. So put the one which you like. So let's have a budget amount to be specified here, and I'm going to put 1,000 rupees, which is equal to $20 USD. So, and click on to next and go on to set alert. And before you just do this alert condition, you need to create a manage action group. So click on the manage action group, that will take you to this wizard, and click new action group, and you need to have a resource group. I already have one, so I chose the network watcher resource group, and give it a name, action group name. So let's say like I want to track Asia customer, and then the display name, it's always going to be like that. And go on to next notification, and in the notification type you have to mention email or SMS. So, and give it a name here. I'm going to give the same name, and click on the email and just type the email that you want to get your alerts. So let's say I want to have a junk email ID, right? And then click on OK. And once you do that, you have to do a review and create. And I will pause once this has been provisioned. So the action group has been successfully created, and as you can see from the notification, let's do a refresh, and it will probably give us that. So as you can see that the new action group is being created. So let's go back to the same budget alert. Go on to cost management billing, click on the subscription one more time, and click on the budget and click add. And again, just give it one more time, give it a budget name like my alert 123, and go on to the budget amount and click on next. And under the alert condition, you just click on to the actual cost, and just let's say like I want to get a first alert when it is 10% of my total amount, and the action group is devcast. And again, you can go on and just type the 50%, again devcast, and then again once it is 100%, again you need another email. So the action group that I had previously created, I have selected, and you can select the one you have created it. And once everything is done, you can also alternatively you can also just enter the another email address, the alert recipient. So let's put some junkemail.com. Okay, once everything is done, you have to select the language, and you have a various language that is being supported. I'm going to click on to the English United States and just type create. So it's validating. Once that is validated, it will probably go and create the budget. And as you can see here, now we have our budget created. So let's click on to that budget. And as you can see that the progress is right now is nothing because I haven't provisioned any resource on here. So you will see the progress bar as you keep using the resource and the pre-credits. And the best thing is that you can always go back to edit budget and then change the amount accordingly. I hope you like this tutorial, and please give me a big thumbs up if you like it, or if you have any questions, and feel free to post it on the comment section. Thank you guys.